Do you want a protective shield of energy around your family and around your home? These runes were created for this exact purpose. Watch till the end of the video to learn how to use it. This rune formula consists out of 5 runes. It is a runic palindrome, meaning that you start drawing it from the middle. The middle rune is the rune Otala, is the rune that is closest to the energy and ideas of a family and a home. So this rune represents your family or your home. On the sides of it are the rune Algis, is the rune of the higher forces and rune of protection, and overall a rune of increased energy. So this will protect your home and family and also invite the divine guidance into these areas of your life. The next rune is the rune Thurisas, which is the outer energy protecting all the inner things. The rune Thurisas is the rune of the god Thor, god of the lightning and thunder, the protector of humanity. Also, it represents a lightning strike, which is a protective force, so if anyone sticks their nose with malicious intent into your family or your home, the lightning and thunder of the energy of Thurisas will strike them and prevent them from making any kind of attacks on your home or your family. Rune magic works on many layers of the reality, starting with the mental layer, so people will just have less intentions and less ideas about doing something harmful to you when this formula is active. An appropriate incantation for this formula could sound like this: by the power of these runes, my home and my family will be protected, so be it. Download my free runes PDF file with rune meanings, rune formulas and rune spreads. The link is in description or on my profile page. Now, how do you activate the rune formula? Draw the runes on a piece of paper, then take a candle in a candle holder, put it on top of your paper, say your incantation, and then light the candle. Let the candle burn down completely. After that, the amulet is activated and ready. For more detailed instructions, get my Rune Magic Quick Start course. It's a short, value-packed video course that will answer all your questions and enable you to start doing rune magic today.